Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ranch sauce for chicken. Start by gathering buttermilk, mayonnaise, sour cream, garlic, dill, parsley, chives, lemon, salt, and pepper. Whisk the wet ingredients until smooth, then finely chop herbs and mix them in gently. Taste and adjust salt, lemon, or herbs to preference. For thicker sauce, add more mayo. For thinner, add splash of milk. Chill an hour for best flavor melding and service. In this video, I will explain how to make ranch sauce for chicken. Measure mayonnaise and sour cream to form a creamy base, then stir in 2 to 3 tablespoons of buttermilk for the right pourable texture. Mince garlic and fresh herbs like dill, parsley, and chives, and add lemon juice to brighten the mix. Season carefully with salt and pepper, tasting as you go until the flavor sings. In this video, I will explain how to make ranch sauce for chicken. Quick recommendation: grab a set of leak-proof containers to store your sauce and keep chicken meals tidy and portable. They make transporting dips and prepped chicken much less messy, and they stack neatly in the fridge. If this helps you, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple recipes and tips. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to make ranch sauce for chicken. Begin by whisking mayonnaise, sour cream, and buttermilk until completely smooth. Stir in finely chopped herbs, minced garlic, and a squeeze of lemon, folding gently to keep herbs vibrant. Season with salt and pepper, then taste and tweak acidity or salt level. Cover and refrigerate at least 1 hour so flavors harmonize before serving with hot chicken.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.